Welcome to the Grilling Oasis, where we relax, chill, and grill. Today we're going to do some chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are good on the grill. So we got the grill rolling. We got some wood on the grill. What we're going to do is we're going to put our chicken around the fire, not on top, because we don't want it to burn. So remember, earlier we seasoned one side of the chicken. Now we're going to put it on the grill and season the other side. So that's what we're going to do right now. Again, placing it around the fire. It's gonna give it that good smoky taste, but it won't burn. So you don't ever have to worry about burning your meat because we got room. And that wood is gonna give it a good smoked hickory taste. So notice, just getting it out the way of the fire so that it won't get burned. Move this a little bit. Do our seasoning now. So first, seasoning salt. You want to see the seasoning on the meat. That's when you know you got a good flavor. And with chicken thighs, it's okay to peel back some of that skin sometimes and just get up under it. So you see sometimes the skin come back like that. Just season it under there. That's fine. You don't have to just put it on the skin. You can season under it. Just gives it a good flavor. Cover it up, come back over with the seasoning salt again. So now we know that the meat is going to get the seasoning. Just going to put it on the skin now. Got our Creole seasoning. That fire getting hot, but it's not touching the meat, so we're okay. Here's our garlic powder. And then last but not least, pepper. Alright, I'll close it down and let it cook. Alright, family, so we're back out here checking on the meat again. As you can see, it's looking real good. The fire has kind of died down a little bit, so we'll be able to move it a little bit on the inside. So we're going to move it just a little tad to that fire. That's going to help it finish cooking. Look at that juice coming out of there. So we can move it all around the fire now. Again, we flipping them the same way, so we know we did something with it. A little bit toward the inside. Put this one down here. So now we see it's gonna get a little bit more direct heat onto it. Gonna help it finish it up cooking. It'll be all right. All right, we see you in a little while, family. All right, family. Checking on the meat. You see the fire is still going good. Look at that. Look at that char right there. Juicy. That's how we want it. We don't want to burn it. We want it to taste juicy. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah. I'll flip them over. We're going to change a couple positions. So we're going to change this position with him. Give this a little more fire on this side. Turn that around. Fire right there. Very good. So you remember when I changed positions on this meat, I took this one to this one. I didn't have to wonder where I was at because we're flipping them the same way. I was able to come right back to this one. That's why we flip them all up or flip them all down. All right, family, it won't be long. All right, family, meat almost ready to come off the grill. So what we're going to do is we're going to check it. So we got our thermometer, and we want chicken to be 165. So let's check it out, see where it's at. She ready? Yep. All right, so let me go get something to put them in. We'll be ready. All right, family, we're getting the chicken off the grill. Yeah. Ooh, look at the juice come out of there. Oh, she ready, y'all. Juicy thighs. We don't want to burn the chicken thighs. We don't want them to dry out. And they don't taste as good. We got nice, good. Look at that. Yes, you can see the juice coming off. Look at that juice. Look at that juice. Yes. All right, family. So we got our grilled chicken thighs, and I paired it with some grilled apples and smoked grilled mashed potatoes. Check back. We're gonna make some videos on how to make grilled apples and grilled potatoes. So let's try this chicken. See what it tastes like. See the juice? Yeah, that's juicy right there. Woo! That's that fire, y'all. Mm-hmm. It's real good. Try these potatoes with it. It's a good meal right here. And then we can cap it off with our dessert. Grilled apple. Oh, fam, this is good. Thank y'all for joining me on the Oasis. We'll see you next time. I've been OT. This is the Grilling Oasis.